Hi, I'm Joe Walsh, founder and owner at Green Clean Maine, here to share a little about why I believe that the HCT certification is such an important investment in yourself and your house cleaning business. When I started my company with no professional cleaning experience, I quickly realized that when it comes to house cleaning, there's a lot to know, and the days of, it's just cleaning, are over. The types of surfaces and materials we encounter in modern homes require a more specialized approach and care than in years past. Using the right tool, the right cleaning solution, and the right process for the job doesn't just save time and money, it produces better, safer results. And that's what the house cleaning technician certification does. It provides you with the training you need to produce better results more efficiently with the confidence that you are caring for your client's home the right way every time. So register today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching.